Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are opening the One Piece card game starter deck number 3. This one is ST-03. It's the blue version and the official name is the Seven Warlords of the Sea starter deck. So that's the front with Crocodile. Very cool. And the sides. And on the back you can see the entire contents of the starter deck. So I went and kind of cut open the duct tapes on both sides so it will be easier to open and show you all the cards inside. Alright, so inside this starter deck you're gonna have the game manual, how to play the game, kinda on a basic level, just to get started because it's a starter deck, and the play area, very nice. Okay, so we got this one, we got the awesome box, very cool, and we got the stack of cards with the cardboard, so it's pretty much huge. For no reason it can be like half the size, just saying. And inside you're gonna have the ready to play pre-constructed starter deck of One Piece, and really good quality of cards. And let's see, so you're gonna get 10 Don cards, which are the currency. The back is a bit different. And you're gonna get one leader. This one is Crocodile. You can see the abilities and read, and the back is red compared to others, so pretty cool. Moving on, we got another one, and we actually got 2 copies of this one. Gonna kind of put everything, you can see the quantity of the cards. And we got Flamingo, 2 copies as well, and yeah, the others should be pretty common. So from this one we got 4, see, and 2 copies of Moria, Dracul, got 2. Jinbe, we also got 4 copies, and all of them are character cards. These are the Don cards, and we got also event. I'm gonna show you in the end. So we got this one, lots of abilities, 2 copies of that. Trafalgar Law, got 4 copies. Yeah, it's cool. Another 4 copies of Kuma. So the art on the cards on the starter decks are different compared to the other set. So you can see they are marked as ST, and yeah, they are original new designs. So it's pretty nice to have them even if they are not the best. And Pacifista, 4 copies, it's pretty nice. Boa Hancock, got 4, very nice. 2 copies of that one, and these are the event cards. You can see they're a bit different. So got 4 copies of these, and as well 4 copies of this one. And to finish it off we got the Love Mellow, 2 copies. So this was the entire starter deck of Crocodile, the ST-03, and yeah, now you know what's inside. So hope this was helpful. You're welcome to drop a like, share, comment and subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you next time.